I'm with Andy Tiller, who's the Vice President of Product Marketing for AsiaInfo. Andy, thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
You were in the very successful exit of Geneva, playing a major role. Since then, you've played a part in some significant players within the industry. You've got a very good view of what's hot and what's not. Obviously, some fundamental reasons to join AsiaInfo in a senior position. Can you give me a bit of an insight, please?
Sure. Well, as you know, AsiaInfo-Linkage has been very successful in the Asian market, helping service providers to reduce time to market and improve customer experience. And we now see a big opportunity here in the EMEA market to bring those same skills and capabilities to help service providers here. Of course, the other thing that AsiaInfo-Linkage has done very successfully is huge scale. So we believe that here in the EMEA market we can offer a fully comprehensive suite of BSS solutions to service providers and help them solve the same problems we solve on a daily basis in Asia.
Now, they're not in Europe at the moment. Did you do due diligence on them before taking this role? How did you make your decision?
I did. I spent time looking at the products and looking at the company. Went over to Beijing to meet the management team, and actually AsiaInfo-Linkage is a very open company, a very Western culture, and I think they have the capability to really make a big impact in international markets.
And what sort of level do you think they'll make an impact? And are they going to be going for the smaller third-tier players, or where do you think they're likely to play?
Well, of course, one of the things that AsiaInfo-Linkage is very good at is enormous scale. So ultimately we do see ourselves over here and in other international markets serving tier 1 operators with large-scale systems. But we know we do have to build a position first, and so that will mean in the first instance some smaller projects. It will certainly mean working with partners who can help us build that position here.
China's very advanced in the type of services it's offering its consumers and business customers in terms of the telco sense. The digital piece is rolling ahead very fast. There's some things happening in China that AsiaInfo can help Western operators deliver, and things that may be relevant to them.
China is a very advanced market, and some of the things that we're doing over there are very relevant, I think, here. We've helped our service provider customers to launch products and new marketing offers much more quickly than they were able to with legacy systems. We've been able to deploy the infrastructure and cloud-based architecture to reduce costs and also to provide a centralized platform for remote provinces and regions to use. We have become very strong in real-time capabilities to allow offers to be made to customers in real time based on what's happening on the network right now and with that customer right now. So implementing business analytics and policy control, as well as the traditional CRM and BSS solutions.
You're touching on the breadth of the product then. Can you give me a view of where it starts and finishes?
Sure, we span the full breadth of BSS for our international market products. In China, we have also some OSS products as well, which in time we will bring into the international markets too. So there's been a process over the last couple of years of taking the product sets and turning them into a more out-of-the-box product model, which we need for international markets, and also internationalizing the solutions, the user interfaces, documentation, training materials. Billing and CRM are ready for international markets, with other products following behind.
You're a Chinese company. What about feet on the ground in Europe?
I'm part of the initial team which is setting up an EMEA capability here, and we are aggressively hiring from experienced individuals in the industry. We have a number of high-level people already beginning to work with AsiaInfo-Linkage in this region, and we have an aggressive hiring plan to provide a full organization here in EMEA to provide support for customers and professional services capability.
Andy, thanks very much for the time. Good luck. Look forward to the update.